Welcome to Mala Mala. Welcome to my new favorite vacation rental in all of Roatan, Honduras. This is actually one of my favorite areas of West Bay, and I'm looking for land over here because I like it so much. So this is one of the new vacation rentals. It's actually two individual homes. They're two mirror images of each other. We'll go into those details in just a little bit. It's really exquisitely done. The owners are absolutely lovely. I was lucky enough to be invited into their new vacation home, and for the record, I sell real estate. I don't sell vacation rentals, but this one I'm making an exception because I love it so much. I asked him how much he would sell it for, and well, he won't. So there's that. But this pool, it's just, I absolutely love it. One, I absolutely love the street. You're right. So you're right where I would call this kind of like the Banks, West Bay area. So you're nice and secluded from West Bay. So what's great is you're close to West Bay. You can walk to West Bay. You would walk from, when you go to the beach, you go to Las Rocas and you just hang a left, and there's a path all the way through to that beautiful beach that everybody knows about, which is also where all the tourists go, where all the cruise ships go, where it can be crowded on certain days of the week. But nobody knows where you are on this street. And that's why I like it so much, is being on this island for 16 years. There are still beautiful hidden pockets that will probably never be super busy from a tourist standpoint, but you're so close on Sundays or Mondays or Fridays or sometimes Saturdays, days where, it's just not that crowded. You can just you can walk over to West Bay and get to enjoy all the amenities without the crowds, or you can enjoy it with the crowds. Maybe I'm a little bit biased, and I like to go when it's not busy and I don't have to wait in line and I don't have to make a reservation, but to each their own. A lot of that was, now you get to know me. So this is just a beautiful area, and what's also nice, the house is absolutely exquisite. So much attention to detail. If you're looking for luxury, this is it. So there's actually 2 units that do share this common pool, which is wonderful for entertaining. I want this pool. The tile was beautiful. The outdoor patio was beautiful. It had the outdoor full kitchen, an area for breakfast or cocktails or whatever the heck you want to do, fire pit. But now we go back to these beautiful bathrooms that are really great for larger families. So each house is 3-bed, 3-bath, with the option to extend to an additional studio apartment. So it can go to, and that additional studio apartment is a kitchenette, or it's a 1-bedroom apartment, not studio. It is a kitchenette with a 1-bedroom and 2-bath, and they do the dual sinks, which is one of my, if you see my videos often, I love the dual sinks because it allows for 2 people to be there and getting ready at night or in the morning. It just really makes life a little bit easier. Maybe that's just me, but I digress. And so there are two units. You can see me right there. And so you do have the option to extend from a 3-bed, 3-bath to a 4-bed, 4-bath. So it is good for privacy, additional, larger families. And you have the option to rent all 8 of the rooms. So it goes in 3-3-3 or 1-1, 4-4. And then you can also do on the other side. And it's a really great location. You can bring in a private chef. That's what we had done, private chef in the gourmet kitchen. Or you can also go to Aqua de Mar, which is a nice condo complex that does have a rotating menu that just opened. And they are open to the public. Not that you need another pool, but it's there, and they do sushi night on Friday. So if you guys ever have any questions about this beautiful rental, please let me know and invite me over to those pool parties because I want to go.